Okay, so for problem number 16, we have a teenage boy is competing in a hot dog eating contest. In the first minute, the boy consumes 10 hot dogs, and in the second minute, he will only eat 8 hot dogs. For each succeeding minute, the boy is only able to eat 80% of the hot dogs that he had eaten in the previous minute. Assuming the pattern continues, how many hot dogs will he have eaten if the contest is 5 minutes long? Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a hot dog. So, I'm going to go over two different ways to do this problem. In the first version, we're going to use the formula for the summation of a geometric series. And that formula looks like this. Okay. And so A is the amount of hot dogs that you ate in the first minute. So let's go through and plug into our equation. So from k equals 0, n is 5 minutes, but 5 minus 1 is 4. So we're going to go, well, undo that last mark. A is 10, that's how many hot dogs you ate in the first minute, minus 1 times 0.8 to the 4 power over 1 minus 0.8. And when we put that in the calculator, we should get 33.66 hot dogs, or 33.6 hot dogs. Okay, and just in case you don't have this formula when you're doing the exam, another way to go through this, if you absolutely were lost, couldn't remember which formula to use, you could always go back and say, okay, well, he had 10 hot dogs, then he had 8, and we're going to multiply 8 times 0.8, and I'm going to get 6.4. And then I'm going to multiply by 0.8 again to get 5.12. And then 0.8 again to get 4.096. And then I'll add those together, and I will still come up with this number either way. Obviously, if you were summing all the way to like 100 or something like that, the formula is much, much better. But in case you do have a problem on your final that has something where you're summing to like 5 or 10, and you forgot the formula, this is another way that you could get your answer.